Lesson 33.
So I choose in lesson 33 the E-Shan and A-Shan practice. So I choose the number 1 and 3. First is number 1. So we will read this first word as I am sure. It is composed of I am, the brief form of I am, which is the A and M. I am. And then the word sure, which is the S, U, and R. I am sure. And then the second word is the second stroke rather is the you will. It is read as you will because this is the brief form of you or the stroke of you. And then this one is the stroke of L or the brief form of will. L stroke. And then the third one is make. It is composed of M, A, and key stroke. Make. And then this is A, the brief form of A. And the fifth one is the read as fine. It's composed of F, I, and N stroke. And then the third, and then the sixth stroke is addition, which is composed of A, D, and Asian stroke. This one is an Asian stroke. And then this is 2, T and O stroke. And then this is our, or the stroke, or the brief form of our, which is the stroke of R stroke. And then this one is news, stroke of N, U, and S, news. And then station, stroke of S, T, and Asian stroke. And then the last one is the stroke for the exclamation point. So we will write this in a longhand. I am sure you will make a fine addition to our news station, and then an exclamation point. I am sure you will make a fine addition to our news station. So this is the number 1. My second choice is the number 3 and in Asian and Asian practice. So this first word is read as if you. It composed of I and F stroke, and then the brief form of you, which is the stroke of you. And then the second one is accept, which is composed of A, C, S, and then E, and then P, and then T stroke. Accept. And then the third one is the brief form of our, which is the stroke of R. And then the fourth one is Invitation, which is composed of N, V, E, T, and ation stroke, which is this one. And then this one is the comma for steno or in shorthand. And then the fifth one is read as we will. It's composed of W and then E stroke and then the brief form of will, which is the stroke of L. And then the sixth word is meet, which is composed of M, E, and T stroke. And then this one is the read as you are the brief form of you and the stroke of you. And then this one is a process. It is read as at, the brief form of at, and then the brief form of the, which is the stroke of T and TH. At the. And then the last one is station, which is the composed of S, T, and Asian stroke. S, T, and then Asian stroke. And then this one is the period in shorthand. Period. So we will write this in longhand. If you accept our invitation, comma, we will meet you at the station. And then period. So we'll read this again. If you accept our invitation, we will meet you at the station. So that's all for number 3 practice.
Thank you and God bless.